Hello, as part of our courses, we use the community technology called Mighty Networks instead of, it's an alternative to Facebook. And it's a place for you as a student to come and connect with other students and also get support from the teaching team and ask your questions. We also put pieces of news up there about what's going on with the classrooms, and we put reminders. So it is well worth getting onto the communities. You can also download the app, Mighty Networks app, and have it on your phone, which is totally the way I use it. Okay, so Tracy is with me, and she is going to show you by sharing her screen how she logs into Mighty Networks, and we're going to just show you roughly how to use Mighty Networks. So Tracy's going to put Mighty Networks into the URL, networks.com, I think it is. Now you can save this on your top bar if you need to, or like I said, I think it's better on the phone. Okay, sign in. So the way that I tend to sign in, which is the easiest, is I go to search and put in functional wellness. And there we are, we're the top one of our communities. You click on there, you're able to log in. There are also links to each of the groups that you are invited to on the online portal. So this is your dashboard. We recommend that you put notifications on there so that you see what's coming up, but we'll come on to that in a minute. When you want to post, so Tracy, if you can go to groups on the left-hand side in the menus.
Yeah.
Tracy can see all of her groups here. So we're going to just go on to groups on nutrition for her. Let's go on foundation coaching skills. So if you want to ask us a question, please go on to groups first, select the group that you want to talk to, and then post in the group. If you don't choose the groups and you just do a post, you are broadcasting to everybody and all of our different courses. So it's great to be a lot more targeted. So then you can share what's on your mind. You can upload a video, I believe. You can do a photo. You can ask us a question, and we will reply within 48 hours. We aim to do it within 24. And just a note that we don't tend to work weekends. And so Tracy goes to her picture in the top right-hand corner, which is her profile. You can change your personal settings. She goes to personal settings, and you can see where you can make sure that you get the notifications that are right for you. So there's notifications, and you can either have it to your email or your mobile, whatever's best for you. But we really recommend that you have a daily digest or as activity happens, and what kind of notifications you want. Do you want updates from your hosts? I would tick that one for sure. Do you want event updates and reminders? Yes, that's about the classrooms. Activities relevant to you? Yeah, absolutely. You will kind of want to tick those. So use the Mighty Networks communities. Remember to find the group that you want to post in, ask your questions, get your support from the teaching team. We are here to help. Thank you, Tracy.